everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another art video in which I am filling another page of my sketchbook. So let's open up and start drawing without further ado. You can see I have already done the rough sketch here. I am going to draw a still life fruit bowl drawing, and for this drawing I am going to use this ballpoint pen which contains 10 different colored inks. Actually, it was a stall in a local fair where the seller was selling this kind of stuffs, and this small cute thingy caught my eyes and I immediately visited the stall, bought this pen. Not only one piece, I bought 4 pens from there as I already loved it too much. So after this long conversation, let's start drawing first with green ink. I am drawing leaf now, and for the drawing I use the hatching technique here. You can follow the whole process for drawing. I will mention the color of the inks I am using, by the way. And now I will use black ink. I know it's a ballpoint pen, but I want to keep it as realistic as I can, so I am applying yellow ink to the leaf. I got the green ink in this pen, but I want light green shade, and for this I am mixing yellow ink with some sky blue ink. And now I am working with the green ink again. I am applying the green ink to the lightest shade of green I have created here for some detailing. I love to draw with every single item I found out to be interesting, and I challenge myself with lots of new art materials and techniques. But there is a thing I assure you guys, that I always go for a cheapest or affordable option first. I used to go for beginner-friendly supplies first to get some ideas, experience and inspiration to create artworks. Art is a costly hobby. As you can see, most of the artists have costly materials for their work. They make superior artworks, but it is also true that art is about to do experiments also. Once you gain knowledge about the mix and match of art supplies while experimenting, you can understand your own style of art making. So I experiment a lot with those materials and upgrade those one by one as time goes. You have already understood what I am drawing. This is now a basic orange. I will do detail work with other inks like red and brown. After completing the orange, I will do some work on the bowl. I will add shadows, and for that I am applying brown and sky blue ink to make a greyish tone. Let's shift to another. I will work on grapes. To draw grapes, I'm gonna use pink, red, purple, blue and black ink. complete by now. I'm playing hide and seek from behind. Let's have done the apple now. I'll not say anything. Let's just enjoy the drawing only. Now it's time to draw guava. I'll use yellow and sky blue ink mixing together to make a light green, and over the light green I will use the dark green color. The only item left, which is a banana. I will use the yellow ink for the base color of the banana. Yes, this is the final piece, friends. I love the way this sketch turned out absolutely gorgeous. It has now become one of my favorites. How about you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get more and more amazing art related videos further. Have a nice day. See you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.